Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to an easy guide on using your new Garmin Kraken Remote, the 2025 model. This incredible little device, truly, puts complete control of your trolling motor right at your fingertips. Imagine navigating your boat with precision, all while keeping your hands free for fishing. It's designed to make your time on the water smoother, allowing you to focus purely on the catch. This remote is a game changer for serious anglers. Getting your Kraken Remote ready is quick and simple. First, make sure your Kraken trolling motor is fully powered up and in standby mode. Then, grab your remote, find the small pairing button, and press and hold it until you see an indicator light flash. At this point, your Garmin display on the boat should prompt you to confirm the connection. Just follow those easy steps, and your remote will be paired and ready to go in mere moments. Now, let's look at the key functions you'll use constantly. The directional arrows on the remote give you incredibly precise steering, perfect for subtle adjustments to your boat's position. You'll also find dedicated buttons for quick anchor deployment and retrieval, which truly simplifies staying put over a hotspot. And of course, the plus and minus buttons are there for effortlessly adjusting your motor speed, making it super simple to match changing conditions on the water. Beyond the basics, the Kraken Remote offers some fantastic advanced features. You can program customizable shortcut buttons, letting you jump to your most used functions with a single press. Need to stay on course? Engage Autopilot modes directly from the remote, providing truly hands-free navigation. Plus, the remote's small display gives you quick access to vital information like motor status and remaining battery life, keeping you fully informed while out on the water. To ensure your Kraken Remote lasts for years and performs perfectly, here are a few simple tips. Always check the battery level before heading out, especially for a long day on the water, so you're never caught off guard. After each use, a quick wipe down with a damp cloth helps keep it clean and extends its life. Lastly, store your remote in a dry, safe place away from extreme temperatures. This helps maintain its durability and reliability for all your future fishing adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.